Africa Content TV.
Kindly sit down. Excellency, the former President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, and his dear wife, Chief Mrs. Bola Obasanjo. Your Excellency, the Governor of Ogun State, Prince Dapo Abiodun. Your Excellency, the Governor of Osun State, Senator Ademola Adeleke. The Chief of Staff to the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Right Honorable Femi Gbajabiamila. Members of the National Assembly present here, members of the Federal Executive Council, former governors and deputy governors, especially His Excellency Aremu Olusegun Oshoba, His Excellency Senator Otumba Benga Daniel, His Excellency Senator Ibikule Amoshun, His Excellency Malam Nasser Ahmed Arufai, Your Excellency the Deputy Governor of Ogun State, Directors General, Heads of Extra-Ministerial Agencies and Parastatals of Government present, members of the Executive Councils, the Legislative and the Judiciary of Ogun State present here, most especially the Speaker of the House of Assembly, the Awujale of Ijebuland, His Majesty, Oba Dr. Sikiru Kayode Adetona, and other members of the royal family, other traditional rulers and religious leaders present here, our distinguished presenters, captains of industry. I have seen my very good friend Tofe Shonubi, and of course the new Ashwaju of Ijebuland, Chief Suleiman Adeguwa, the Pro-Chancellor of Olabisi Onabanjo University, Professor Toyin Ashiru, the management and staff of the university, members of the academia, members of the Fourth Estate of the Rim, honored guests, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. This is the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria speaking. We are here today to celebrate and rejoice with an outstanding and extraordinary monarch on the occasion of his 90th birthday anniversary. It also gladdens my heart to see the Awujale in his full glory and majesty attain this important milestone. I had planned to personally attend this epoch-making event as a mark of honor to our revered royal father. I returned from my travels abroad to be part of this occasion. However, the exigencies and demands of state duty have both conspired to make it practically impossible to be here. Earlier, I had personally signed a tribute to Kabiyesi Awujale, underscoring his transcendental and preeminent status as a royal father, not just in our country, but also as one of the most adored around the world. Kabiyesi Adetona deserves all accolades we can accord him because he earned them. In the last 64 years, Kabiyesi had served the people of Ijebuland with great wisdom and rare dedication. It is not surprising that his kingdom and people have continued to thrive. While we rejoice with Oba Adetona today, it is important to say that what we are celebrating is much more than his 90th birthday anniversary. In Oba Adetona, we are celebrating courage, dignity, honor, and a life that is only committed to duty and service. In times of adversity, Oba Adetona shows strength and kingly character. He stood his ground and confronted injustice and oppression during our just struggle for the restoration of democratic rule in the land between 1993 and 1999. If democracy is blossoming in our country today, it is because patriots like Oba Adetona stood firmly on the side of the people. Motivated by a higher and noble ideal to entrench democratic good governance in our country, Oba Adetona recognized the importance of expanding the frontier of knowledge with his endowment of a professorial chair at the Olabisi Onabanjo University, Ago Iwoye in Ogun State. It is appropriate that as part of the activities marking this birthday anniversary, we are also inaugurating the postgraduate school on policy and governance studies funded by KBSC. Because KBSC Oba Adetona has honored our country and humanity with his many years of meritorious service, I therefore, Your Excellencies, Your Royal Highnesses, kindly listen. I therefore, on this special occasion of his 90th birthday, Olori, please drop your phone and listen. I therefore, on this special occasion of his 90th birthday ceremony, confer on Oba Adetona the second highest national honor of Grand Commander of the Order of Nigeria. Your Excellencies, Your Royal Highnesses, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, lend me your ears to listen to the last part of the presidential directive. To ensure that knowledge production and intellectual output of the postgraduate school benefit the entire country, the National Institute of Policy and Strategic Studies, Kuru Jos, will be asked to take over the running and management of Oba Sekiru Adetona School of Governance Studies. This will be a fitting complement to KBSC's educational legacy. I wish KBSC Awujale more years of service to the people of Ijebuland and robust health on the throne. Many happy returns, KBSC. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, 10th May 2024. Thank you so much, and God bless us all.
And the crew should give us the national anthem. The national anthem, please. We now proceed to commission the School of Governance. With those mentioned, please others should please sit behind. There is the masquerade, the biggest masquerade from Onisha. So Honor Kabisi.
Sorry, the Pro-Chancellor and the Vice-Chancellor will lead the way to the commissioning. Please, only former governors, close family friends, invited guests to please accompany the Vice President for the commissioning, please. The complex is right beside there on the right.
Come on,